Hi everyone, this is Dimitri Premarket with MarketChameleon.com. I wanted to share another type of pre-market screener, and that's the block trade screener, or big block trades or large money trades. And we define that as either a trade that is 10,000 shares or more, or has a value of 200,000 shares or more in notional value. And the idea is that these trades are probably or most likely institutional trades, and we want to see what can be happening in the pre-market hours where institutions might be trading with each other and what happens next. So let's go into a screen and just kind of give an example. And I set the market cap to 10 billion, but you could have any market cap, low market cap. I just set it for this example at 10 billion. And let's look for trades that are happening in the dark pools. So I'm going to set this to just dark pool trades. And now we have a bunch of trades that are happening in the pre-market hours in the dark pool. So just to maybe narrow it down, let's look for a specific stock you could set in here. And let's look for Apple, for example. And here's what's going on in Apple. It filtered out 12 large institutional trades. You can see this one's 2.4 million, 700,000. These are the lots over here being traded in the dark pool. And here next to it is the prices and the bid asks at the time of the trade, which in the pre-markets will tend to be much wider than in regular hours. Then the idea here is over here you kind of see, well, what is the trade relative to the closing price? So this is very close to the closing price, these trades. And what happened next? Once these institutional orders matched up, is it heavier on the ask side, on the offer side, or stronger on the bid side? So what happened to the stock after these trades matched up? And that's where we go over here, and these are the results after the trade, what happened to the stock. So here in this pre-market, it looked like then the stock weakened after those big trades. So it may have been, a buyer has cleaned up and there's more on the sell side as far as those institutions or large block trades are concerned. And this one is in the dark pool. So I'm just going to let go of this one symbol to get back to any symbols. You could also look for stocks that are in your watch list. You could set some indicators if the stocks are breaking any type of technical indicator that's listed in here. You could also look for stocks that are members of a certain ETF, or you could pick any of these trade conditions that are available. Trade size, if you're looking for very large trades, you could even set it, like, for example, above 1 million. So this will look for much larger trades. And this table over here is sortable. So you could do something like that, just sort it by the highest trades and see notional trades to see what happened to the stock after these trades have matched up. Another thing you might want to look is if you're looking for trades where the stock floated higher afterwards. So you could do something in here, pick any positive. So these are stocks that floated higher after these big trades occurred. I'll let go for this, or trade price versus closing price. Maybe something traded way outside yesterday's closing price and nothing over here at 4%. Let's try 2%. Yeah, so just see how high, so nothing very crazy in the dark pool in those big trades today. So this is another way to look at pre-market activity and what might be happening in the big trades where it might be two different institutions trading or getting matched up in a dark pool. Or you could also just look for any exchange, and this will show you all the exchanges, how things got matched up. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.